Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today, I'm gonna show you how to do screen sharing in a Skype. It's gonna be easy, don't worry. I'll show you how to do it step by step. So first, you need to click Skype. If you don't have Skype account yet or you don't have any app and you don't know how to download it, how to use Skype, just go to my channel and I do have a lot of videos regarding Skype and I will teach you how to use it easily. So going back, just click someone that you want to call. I have a lot here, don't worry. So I'll just gonna choose this guy and then I'll just gonna do video call instead of audio. Okay, I'll click the video call. Let's just wait for him to answer it. Okay. As you can see, I have here. So, to do the screen sharing, all you need to do is just click share screen. And then you can choose if you want to share one screen or all your screen or just a specific screen. I'll just gonna choose this one for now. Okay. And then if you see there's a red thing all over your computer, it means that it's already recording, it's sharing. So if you want to stop it, just click this one. So I'll just gonna go ahead and open it more so you will see it. That red thing. It's all over, so it means that it's recording. So I hope this video helped you how to record and see you on my next video. Bye.